Hey guys, it's Gaba VR and welcome to this special episode. Instead of talking about shooting and editing tricks, now I come up with a product review showing you a great accessory which helps me a lot during post-production. This is the BenQ ScreenBar Plus, which is an attachable LED light you can mount on almost any computer monitor. A couple of weeks ago BenQ offered to send me their product because they saw my videos and thought that it could help me during video post-production. And it's true, staring at the computer screen all day can cause eye problems and impairs vision in the long run. Even more, in many cases I do masking and further detailed editing, so I started to use this screen bar, making post-production a little bit more comfortable for myself. I usually work with that small table lamp in the background, which I only use as a mood light for the sake of this tutorial. So now it's only a decoration in the scene, but during editing I don't really like it because it has a disturbing reflection on the screen, and as you can see it takes a lot of space on my desk. In practice it leaves me a very limited space to move the mouse, and listening to the audio during editing it blocks one of my speakers too, so I can't hear a perfect stereo sound. On the other hand, this LED bar is quite a space-saving tool. I only have the dimmer under my monitor to control the brightness and color temperature if needed. But the built-in ambient light sensor can automatically detect the surrounding brightness and then adjust to just the right light. But now let's see what we get in the box and check out how we can attach this bar to the monitor. There are no useless things inside the box. Actually, it's pretty clear for the first sight what we've got. Here you can see the LED tube itself, the controller, and the holder which we can use to mount the light on top of the monitor. So first I just simply insert the LED part inside the holder and then I plug in the USB cable. We can power this light via the USB port of our monitor or our computer. The cable is long enough to plug it even into the computer under the desk. And thanks to the weight on the mount, we can easily clip it on top of almost any monitor, especially if it has a flat backside, just like this one. And as I mentioned, we have a nice dimmer to play around with the brightness and the color temperature, but in practice the automatic mode is really cool by itself. I just push this button and I can be sure that I'll have enough light to work with no trouble. But of course I can play around with the brightness and the color temperature if needed. It's really cool. But the point is that I get a way better quality light than using a normal table lamp on my desk, and there are no reflections on the screen. It's very helpful, especially because I work with a traditional keyboard with no additional lights, so when it's dark here in the studio it would be really hard to see the keys only at the basic monitor light. As sometimes I'm editing videos for 8 or 9 hours a day, I like this accessory and I found it really helpful. So thank you BenQ for sending me this product. Actually, I didn't even know that such a product did exist, but now after I tried it, I like it. So you will surely meet this small bar on top of my monitor in the upcoming editing videos. Can you guess which shot lab effect will be the next one? And talking about special accessories, what are your favorite accessories you use during editing? Do you have any lights like this, or you prefer a special chair, mouse or keyboard? Let me know in the comment section. And if you don't want to miss my future videos about Creative 360 shooting and editing tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time!